Hello everybody and welcome to another bike hunting video from the vending machine. Okay, we start from number one is the Mazda RX-3 with the Disney boat behind. Then we have the Momo Volkswagen. This is very old news. Then we have the Gasser Porsche 924 and Toyota AE86. Then we have this Firebird and the R31 Skyline. The Corvette, Corvette, and another Gasser. Ford Focus, McLaren, Honda City, another Firebird. It's quite sparse. This Toon Fantasy Casting, Ford GT Racing with the Skyline behind, the Barbie car with the yellow EB110, another Corvette with the red Mercedes. So I will get the Corvette and the Mercedes. And then we have the Baja Crawler in silver, another Corvette, Honda City, Moon Eyes, Camaro, Barbie car again, another Toon car, and then the Ford Sierra. I already have two, another Corvette, a lot of Corvette. Then we have the Mini GT Berlin Mercedes 190E, Horizons, Fast and Furious Premium. Okay, in goes my money. Number 40. One more time. And I will retrieve what I have bought. Just a moment. So this is the 69 Corvette, classic Corvette, and this one is a must-have, 500E Mercedes in red. First came out in black, then we have silver. This is the third recolor. Very nice. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.